everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create eye-catching earring cards using Canva's templates. Let's get started. Open Canva and type earring cards in the search bar. Browse through the templates and select one that fits your style. Click Customize this template to begin editing. Double-click the text boxes to update the wording, add your brand name, pricing, or descriptions. Replace placeholder images by dragging your own earring photos onto the old ones. Delete any elements you don't need. Head to the Elements tab to add decorative items like borders, icons, or patterns. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. When you're happy with the design, click Share and select Download. Choose your preferred format: JPG or PNG for images, PDF for print-ready files. And that's it! If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. Happy crafting!